I present to you the definition of beauty. The phone we've got here today is one of the most beautiful designs of this year, at least in my opinion. Definitely the most beautiful so far. The Oppo Find X9 Pro. And I definitely did get the best color. And yes, I'm definitely going to come up with a name for it too. The brown natural purple titanium. Oppo has done a lot in terms of design and customization this year, although it does resemble the iPhone a lot, same as the rest of the lot. But then again, they've done it pretty well. There's beautiful animations here and there, starting from the lock screen, and it does continue all throughout the UI. Oppo also got the shortcut button right here, but unlike Vivo, they did not get rid of the camera trigger. Everything is top-notch with Oppo's flagship this year, including build quality, design, haptics, camera, battery, and even speakers. Although in all honesty, I wouldn't really call the speakers top-notch exactly, but they definitely have improved. They do sound a lot better. There's more depth to them. There's still work needed to get to the Magic 8 Pro, or especially the upcoming Redmi K90 Pro Max. But then again, they've definitely improved, and they do sound a lot better. Under the hood, we are packing MediaTek's latest, the Dimensity 9500, paired with 16 gigs of RAM, and an enormous 7500 mAh silicon carbon battery. Now, of course, we're also running the coloros 16 based on Android 16, and my unit right here is of course a Chinese version, since there is no global version at the moment, but, and it's a huge but right there, ColorOS has come a really long way in terms of customization and adapting to global users. You get notification badges for all the apps that you want. You can customize the size and the shape of your icons however you want, including your global apps. An overall exquisite experience in terms of customization and organization. Never been better before. An absolute bliss in those regards. You can shape your folders however you like as well, by the way. You can make them horizontal, vertical, or just large. You can get rid of as many of these Chinese apps as you want. Right here. You can get circle to search. Even Android Auto. No issues in terms of late notifications, if you know how to set it up, of course. Now, do not worry. This is just an initial hands-on introduction video. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure to do that. And stay tuned for my globalization tutorial, camera comparison, and of course, gaming and performance review. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.